The maths test, the scores of 8 from 2 students are given as follows. Calculate the standard deviation of the scores. So the first thing you're going to do is to calculate the mean of this test. To get the mean, you're going to add all the marks. 45 plus 52 plus 54 plus 55 plus 57 plus 57 plus 62 plus 66. To obtain the mean, we divide by the total number of students who sat for the test, who are 8, and this one shall give us a mean of 56. When you divide everything and divide by 8, you get 56. So that is our mean. So the next thing will be to calculate the deviation from the mean, which you're going to denote with small d. So to calculate this, we're going to draw a table. Shall draw a table, and this is a table, sorry. So you're going to draw a table. So in this table, we are going to input the values of our numbers, and our numbers will be, so this is our x, and so you can put that is our x, and then these numbers are 45 with the marks, that is marks 45, 52, 54, 55. This one is 57, 57, 62, and 66. There are 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we shall get the deviation from the mean, which we get by getting x, and this one will be obtained by, rub this one. So the deviation, so this one will be the deviation, which will be given by x minus the mean. This is the deviation from the mean. So you're going to take these values, and then we get the deviation. To get the deviation from mean, you're going to take x, subtract the mean. So this one will give us negative 11, negative 4, negative 2, negative 1, 1, 1, 6, and this one will give us 10. The next thing is to square the deviation. When you square the deviation, this one will get 121, this is 16, 4, 1, 1, 1, 36, and 100. So that is very important. Now, what you're going to do, and one thing that we must realize is that NB, the note, that standard deviation is obtained by obtaining the square root of the variance. So we have to calculate the variance, and for us to get the variance is obtained by the summation of deviation squared divided by n. And in this case, when you add everything, this is where you're going to obtain the deviation, the sum of the deviation. When you add all these values, 121 all through at 100, you'll obtain that one is 280. So this one will be 280 divided by, these are 8 students, and this one is going to give us 35. So that is the variance. Therefore, the standard deviation is obtained by getting the square root of the variance, and this one will be the square root of 35, which will give us 5.916. So that is how we are supposed to get the standard deviation of this kind of data. And remember that this one is ungrouped. This one is ungrouped data. So first you obtain the mean of the numbers. Then the next thing will be to calculate the deviation from the mean that is given by D. You draw this table. These are the marks obtained by the students. Get the deviation from the mean, x minus x bar. X bar is our mean. Square the deviation, calculate the variance. Then remember that standard deviation is given by the square root of the variance.